Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best lightweight hair dryers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many lightweight hair dryers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each lightweight hair dryers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a lightweight hairdryer. First, think about the weight and design because a lighter model reduces hand strain and is easier to handle during styling. Next, consider the power and heat settings since multiple speeds and temperatures give better control for different hair types. You should also look for advanced technologies like ionic or ceramic features that help reduce frizz and protect hair from heat damage. A cool short button is useful for setting your hairstyle in place. Don't forget the attachments. Diffusers and concentrators can make styling more versatile. Lastly, check the noise level and portability if you travel often. By keeping these factors in mind, you can find a hairdryer that is efficient, comfortable, and perfect for your needs. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.